Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is to demonstrate how you can add an email button to your website. I've uploaded here a templated website, and I'm going to add an email button underneath this button here. To do this, I'm going to go over to widgets. I can either type in email or scroll down under business and email, and I'm just going to drag the button to here. Add an email address to the button and give some text for the button as well, email us in this case. We can now change the design of the button. First of all, let's look at the layouts. I'm going to choose this one because I'd like to have an icon in the button, and the icon will go here. We can change the size of the button. We can keep it proportionate. Let's make it this size. We can change the button text. We can have it change the font size. We might want it bigger. We might want a different color. I'm going to keep it white, bold, underlined. We can change the alignments. We can also change the font color on hover. We can have it black, or we can change the color to this red. And we can have it bold. Back to the button style. We can change the background color. We might want that red. We can change the border, but we'll keep it as it is. We can add an icon. You can select an icon. We'll keep this icon because it's appropriate to what we're doing, the envelope. Show you what I mean. And you can change the icon color. I'm going to keep it this red. There are some more design options here. We can have a different hover background color. We might want a grey color. We can change the hover border color, and we can change the icon color. We'll have it black. Floating, we'll come back to that. You can add some animation to the button. There are two triggers, entrance and scroll. Entrance, the one I normally use. Basically, when you scroll down to this part of the page, it will actually trigger the animation, and we can have the button to fade in and fade in from the left. We can change the duration, delay and intensity, and we can preview the animation. And you can add some spacing. Let me go back to floating. Floating allows you to position the button in certain points of your website, and it stays there. Let me show you what I mean. So select floating. It's now floated to the bottom right hand corner of the page as selected here. I can select it to the middle right, the top right, bottom left, and back to the bottom right. And this button stays there as you scroll up and down, albeit it's got some animation. So that's what we mean by floating. You can change whether it's show on every page or just this page. And that's how you add an email button to your website.